Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to set content preferences on Instagram. For example, if you want to see specific kind of content on Instagram app and you want to set it by yourself, then how you can set your content preferences on Instagram. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings, and here you have to simply go to general, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to simply click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network setting. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply open the app store here. So in app store you have to simply search for the Instagram app, and after searching the Instagram app, you have to simply make sure that you have installed the latest version of the Instagram app. And after checking this Instagram update and installing the latest version of the Instagram app, you have to simply open the Instagram app here, and here you have to simply click on profile, and you have to simply click on three lines here. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply scroll it down until you find the option of content preferences here. So here you can simply find all the details related to interested and not interested contents, like if you want to add any kind of content you want to add as interest, you can also set any kind of interest here. So here you can simply set specific words and phrases, which mean which kind of content you do not want to see. So in this way you can simply select the content, and after that you can also select sensitive content, whether you want to see sensitive content, less or standard. So this affects search results as well as recommended content in explore, reels, feed and hashtag pages. This also affects comments that you have seen on other people's posts. So here you can simply see that. Moreover, you can also check for the suggested content reset, which means if you want to reset all of the suggested contents, then you can simply click on that reset option, and all of the content will be reset, and you will get new suggested content on your Instagram. So hope you have liked this video. If you can get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.